Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to understand Texas boat registration and Texas boat titles and how to do a boat history or title search. So this is helpful because it can save you time and help you avoid problems like liens or stolen records. So today we're covering Texas registration requirements, fees, and title search basics. So Texas issues both boat titles and registration stickers handled by the Texas Parks and Wildlife Department, the TPWD. So Texas registration numbers usually start with TX. People often confuse that with the whole ID, but it's different. A state assigned hull ID starts with TXC and is 12 characters long. So most other hull IDs start with a manufacturer code. So in Texas, lions are recorded with the TPWD, but if the boat is U.S. Coast Guard documented, security interests are recorded with the National Vessel Documentation Center. And then you can order those records on or through boatabstract.com. So, boat titling in Texas has been required since 1977, and the fee is $110. And then boatalert.com lets you search multiple database fast, including registration, stolen boats, marine liens, accidents, pollution incidents, auction boats, recalls, and more. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment if you want another topic, and please like and subscribe for more content like this.